All right, Congressman, I want to start with the DACA stuff, since that was we just heard from President Trump there, and wanted to get your take about what he said as it relates specifically towards a path to citizenship.
Well, it really upsets me that he's already talking about a path to citizenship, and he hasn't even negotiated yet in earnest. I hope he takes a look at this from a different perspective. I hope that he looks at it as number one. The most important thing is to get the wall, chain migration, and visa lottery out of the way, and then for that he's willing to negotiate on DACA. What these DACA people need to understand is they broke the law. They are still breaking the law, even though now they're adults. They broke the law through no fault of their own. Their parents brought them over, but they still broke the law. And you just can't give them amnesty, because that sends a horrible message to those that want to come here illegally.
And that's my next question to you, Congressman, because you've been a staunch supporter of President Trump, and I am sure there are a lot of other Trump supporters who feel exactly the way you do about what the president said yesterday about this path to citizenship. You mentioned the word amnesty, and this is basically what it's going to come down to, but you would still consider a path to citizenship that takes 10, 12 years, as the president mentioned, that to you is still a form of amnesty?
Well, I would consider this. What I would consider is all these DACA people go back to their country of origin and get in line for legal immigration.
So they physically have to return to their countries of origin before they come back to the United States?
More.
Yeah. And
I would give them a work permit to come back in the United States and continue their lives. At the same time, now that we know who they are, they must pay a fine of some sort for breaking the law. They need to understand that they are breaking the law, and we are going to try to treat them humanely, but they need to pay a fine. There needs to be a sacrifice, a consequence for breaking the law. Just handing over a path to citizenship is amnesty. It's the worst thing we could do. It's what we did in 1986, and look at where we are today. We will not fix this if we send a message to people all over the world that if you'll just come here and come in illegally, sooner or later you will be made legal.
Newsmax TV. Watch us on Dish, DirecTV, AT&T Uverse, Verizon Fios, or download our free app. Don't have Newsmax TV? Call your local cable provider and request Newsmax today.